How to auto-translate WhatsApp messages. If you receive WhatsApp messages in another language and want them to translate automatically, this video will show you the easiest ways to do it. First, understand one thing. WhatsApp does not have a built-in auto-translate feature, but you can still auto-translate messages using your phone settings or trusted apps. On Android, the easiest method is using Google Translate. First, open the Google Translate app. Tap your profile picture, go to Settings, then tap to Translate. Turn on Enable Tap to Translate and allow all permissions. Now open WhatsApp. When you receive a message in another language, long press the message and tap Copy. A small Google Translate bubble will appear. Tap it, and the message will be translated instantly. For automatic live translation, use Gboard. Go to Phone Settings, Language and Input, Keyboard, and select Gboard. Open Gboard Settings, tap Languages, and add your preferred language. Now open WhatsApp and tap the message box. Tap the Translate icon on Gboard. Select the language, and incoming messages will translate while you type replies. On iPhone, use Apple Translate. Long press the WhatsApp message, tap Translate. If you don't see it, tap More, and then Translate. The message will be translated instantly. You can also install Google Translate on iPhone and use the copy-paste method. Important tip: auto-translate works best for text messages. Voice notes and images need manual translation. And that's it. Now you know how to auto-translate WhatsApp messages easily. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more useful WhatsApp tips.